To buy the Pro version, first visit our website oneclickorderpro.com. Here, you can read all the details about the plugin. When you scroll down, you'll see the Upgrade to Pro button. Click it, and you'll be redirected to the checkout page. First, enter your email address. Make sure you type it correctly. Your plugin zip file and activation keys will be sent to this email. Then, fill out the rest of the form. You can pay with any credit or debit card, or directly with PayPal. In this video, we'll complete the purchase using a card. Sometimes the system will ask you to enter your email twice for confirmation. Just enter the same email both times. By default, the yearly plan is selected. If you prefer the monthly plan, simply turn this switch off. If you want the lifetime plan, turn this option on instead. In this video, we'll be purchasing the lifetime plan. After you fill out the form and choose your plan, click Review Order to continue. Next, click the Complete Purchase button. Your purchase will now be processed successfully. For now, don't click Got it yet. If you don't receive the confirmation email, you can click Resend Email. Now, open the inbox for the email address you entered on the order form. You'll see an email that looks like this. Go ahead and open it. Inside the email, you'll see an option to download the zip file. Click it, and your download will start automatically. Below that, copy your license key. You'll need it to activate the Pro plugin. Now, let's open WordPress Dashboard. In the dashboard, click on Plugins. If you already have the free version installed, deactivate it first. Then click Add New and choose Upload Plugin. Upload or drag the Pro plugin zip file here. Click Install Now and then Activate Plugin. It will prompt you to enter your license key. Paste the key you copied earlier and click Activate. After activation, you may see an error message like this. But don't worry, your plugin has already been upgraded to the Pro version. Just reopen your WordPress dashboard and you'll see a notification confirming that Pro version activation is complete. Now you can click on One-Click Order to start using all the Pro features. In the next tutorial, we'll walk you through all the settings, show you every feature in detail, and give you a live demo of the Pro version.